Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a huge Princess Polly spring try-on haul for you guys. I'll have all these items linked in the description box for you guys to shop. I also have a discount code, which is HVESTAL for 20% off your Princess Polly order. Another thing that I want to mention is that Princess Polly ships from the US if you order on their US website, and you get free express shipping to the US on orders over $50 US, which is typically at 3 to 4 days. And they also offer AfterPay and ShopPay to all US customers. I'm so excited for this video. I got some really great spring pieces. I'm wearing one right now. But yeah, so I actually filmed this as kind of like a vlog style. So I tried on all the pieces, show you guys, talk about it, talk about the name and what size I'm wearing, how I like it, what I like about it, all that fun stuff. So I love doing these kinds of videos. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box. And without further ado, let's get into the haul. All right guys, so here's the first outfit. I'm wearing this white little bra top. This is in a size 4. I'll have the names on the screen. I'm covering it because since it's white and I'm not wearing anything under it, I kind of have to cover it. But I would normally wear pasties under this. I just currently don't have any more left. So yeah, but it's super cute. I feel like I might could have done a 2 in this, but I wasn't sure. And then I also have these white jeans. These are the Holly asymmetrical jean from Princess Polly. Obviously, I get these in a size 0. Which is my normal size. I'm a waist size 24, so what is that, like a 000? Yeah, super cute. I love them so much, and they're a pretty good length. Like, I'm very short, but when I wear shoes, they aren't too short. So I love this one. So cute, so fun. I love the all white. I don't know if I'd wear this together, but if I did, I'd wear some like colorful shoes or something. All right, so same pants. I'm gonna keep these on for the next couple of tops. So yeah, nothing changed down here, same jeans. But this top is gorgeous. It's in this beautiful like mocha brown color. I think it's called the Aviera top or something. Got this in the US for the straps adjust, which we love. Super cute. You guys know I'm obsessed with like the Becca crop tops from Princess Polly. So this is like basically the same thing where it's like scooped under, and yeah, but this one's high neck, which I love. Super flattering. I love this one so much. I love when crop tops like go like this because my torso's super short, so it helps like accentuate and everything and elongate. So love this one. Okay, next top. This one's definitely see-through, so I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to do this because I literally don't have pasties right now. But this top is so stinking cute. I love the color. It's like a light beige. Love the material. It's very light, like would be perfect for going out in the summer or spring. I love the opening in the front. I probably wouldn't wear it with these jeans just since they're baggy and this top's, you know, kind of like flowy in a way. I'd probably wear it with like tighter jeans, but so cute. Love the halter neck. Love the straight across, like tube top vibes. I love it. I'll show you the back. It's just so dainty. I'm obsessed. All right guys, next top. This one is so fun. I love the green color. It's showing up different on camera. It's like showing up like, I don't know. It's really fun. Perfect shade of green. It's got a little collar. It's very similar to the first style top that I showed you guys. I got this in a US 4. Kind of wish I would have sized down, but maybe not, because I think I want to wear a bra under this to kind of like fill out the rest of the area to make me look bustier. So I think, I don't know, I'm kind of glad that I went with a 4 for that case, but super cute. I love these two together. I think with some green sneakers would be super fun. I love it. Love the little buttons right here too. So comfy, like so stretchy. I love it. Okay, last top. If you know, you know. This is my favorite top ever. It's the Becca long sleeve crop top. I've been waiting for this green to restock for months, and I'm so happy because it finally did. I have this long sleeve in black and brown, I want to say, and then I have the tank top version in white and red, and then now this one. I think I have more. I have the short sleeve one too. I just have all the variations, and now the new high neck one. I'm obsessed. It's my favorite top ever. This would be such a cute little spring outfit. I know you're not supposed to wear white after Labor Day, and then yeah, white after Labor Day. You can wear white after Easter, but I don't really care because like I want to wear this now. But it's so fun. Oh my gosh, I'm literally obsessed. I got a 4 in these. I think I said that because it would be like too tight in this area. So yeah. All right guys, this first dress is super cute. I got it in a US 4. I do kind of wish I would have went for a 2, just because I wanted a little bit like shorter and like tighter. But I tied it as tight as I could around the waist. Super easy to get on. Like I literally just stepped right into it, and then you tie this because it like overlaps. But I think I'm gonna wear this on Valentine's Day because I'm going to dinner. And yeah, I think this video is going up like the day or 2 after Valentine's Day. But it's so, so cute. I'll definitely wear like a bra under it. Yeah, I love it. I love the red little satin material that it is. That's what it looks like from the back. Guys, this is a whole vibe. I'm obsessed. Okay, so we'll start with these boots. Super cute. I don't own any like tall boots that aren't cowboy boots, so these are so fun. I love them. They're like a cream crocodile print texture situation. They've got a heel. I will say, if you have bigger calves, maybe don't go for these, or maybe go up a size because they are kind of squeezing my like calves like right here. But I don't know, maybe I just haven't like situated them, but they're like fine right here. I don't really know, but super cute. And then I have this blue little button-up mini dress. I was really worried that this was gonna take forever to get on, but guys, like it's so easy to button. And I got this in a 4. I don't know why. Normally I go for 2s in Princess Polly dresses, but I think I'm glad that I went with a 4 because I think it fits really nice and it makes my butt look super good. So I'm obsessed. You guys need this outfit. Like seriously, freaking obsessed. Okay, so this is a blazer dress, super cute. Don't know what size I got, but I feel like I could have done a little smaller because I have it as tight as it can go right here. But super cute. I wish it was a little bit lower so more skin would show, but I'm thinking like maybe even with those boots back there, it would look super cute. I love blazers. I love blazer dresses. Super fun. Oh my gosh, I feel so like businessy. I'm obsessed. This is such a look. All right, so last item from Princess Polly is this beautiful white set. I got this set in a size 2, so both pieces are in a size 2 and they fit so, so well. I was a little bit nervous about the top, but it fits and it fits great. They have this set in so many different colors. I just got it in white because I actually own very similar pants from Princess Polly in black, so I didn't want the black one. They have it in like a purple. I think they even have it in like a nude. I don't know, they have so many colors. The pants are pretty long, but if I wear them with high heels, I think they'll be okay, and I can always get them hemmed. I'm just very short, so fun. Like this is perfect for like a summer or spring vacation, like so classy. I'm obsessed. Like I love it. Like you have to get this set. It's so cute. All right guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you again to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. I love them so much. Don't forget to use my discount code HBESTIL for 20% off your order. Also don't forget that Princess Polly ships to the US, and you can also get free express shipping to the US on orders over $50 US, which is 3 to 4 days. And they also offer AfterPay and ShopPay to all US customers. I'll have all these items linked in the description box. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. Let me know if you guys liked this kind of vlog style clothing try on haul. I've done it before and it did pretty well, but let me know if you prefer this over like my typical try on hauls. I love you guys, and I will hopefully see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.